Today, I'll walk you through how to easily resubscribe a contact, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate Mailchimp to resubscribe a contact so you can keep your email list engaged and up to date. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. This is your starting point for managing your email campaigns and contacts. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, log into your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Now, after logging in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and then select Audience from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage all your contacts and their subscription statuses. Next, we need to filter out the contacts who have unsubscribed. To do this, click on Subscription Status to sort and filter those who have opted out. This step is crucial as it allows you to focus on the contacts you want to resubscribe. Once you have the list of unsubscribed contacts, find the option labeled Email Unsubscribed and click on it. This will display all the contacts who have previously unsubscribed from your emails. Now locate the specific contact you wish to resubscribe. Click on their name to expand their details. This will give you a clearer view of their subscription status and other relevant information. Next, look for the Action button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you will find the option to subscribe email. Selecting this option is the next step in the resubscription process. Finally, after clicking Subscribe Email, you will see a confirmation prompt. Click on Confirm Subscribe to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully resubscribed a contact. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.